it's me again, and right now I'm inside a Bahay Kubo. Of course, most popularly known as sa atin, yung old houses. Pero ngayon, ito is kumbaga parang sa Bahay Kubo inside the city. So, pwede ito most probably for, alam mo yun, yung mga gimikan, parties, gigs, friends, alam mo yun. So, it is very suitable for that kind of occasion. So, like parties, or, gusto mo lang yung mga reunions ng mga magkakaibigan. So, ito is very, very, um, akma sa mga ganong uh, gimikan ba. So, may ano na dito, actually, pwede itong, kumbaga, inuman eh. And then, at the same time, may tulugan din siya. Um, pwede tayo maglagay dito ng bedding, so no problem for that. So, this can be good for like, ilan ba? Siguro mga 2 to 3 people. Yan. Ayan. Okay. Yes. Limited lang ang pwede dito. But then, of course, for this one, pwede yung mga magkakaibigan talaga. Ayan. So, pwede po ninyo itong bisitahin. Pwede na rin kayong tumira dito. I mean, magstay dito for that kind of purpose. So, ito siya sa labas. Parang maliit lang siyang tignan, pero very, maganda naman, napakaganda ng style. Diba, parang maiba rin naman yung environment and then yung aura niya. So, you can take a look in, around. And ito pala yung likod ng 3 units. So, very much welcome kayo dito to stay in for a short period of time or long period of time. We are open also for parties, for reunions, and kung ano man yung, ano mo yun, kung basta kailangan yung ng place for anything, this is always open. So, for inquiries, I have my number, I have my Facebook page, I have my Skype, Viber, and WhatsApp. So, you can always contact me anytime, anywhere. Thank you so much. Bye!